Today we're going to go over how we split a payment up and send out an email to a guest when they ask to pay a different amount than what is owed on the booking. And so here we have our test booking, and the system's going to assume anytime you send a payment due email, it's going to ask for the total balance due on that booking. But we have options. So let's say this balance owed is $297.50, and the guest calls today, and it could be before the payment due date is due, and they ask, can I make a $100 payment today? And we always recommend you take payments anytime you can on your bookings. So we have that option. So we navigate to the payment due email, and there's an interface here to change what is normally going to be asked of, which is the full payment due on this booking, but we can change it. So we agree to $100. We change that here. We save the change by clicking Change Payment. We navigate down to the bottom. We send that email. Now that email's gone out as a payment due email. There's a link in there where the guest can click it, and they're going to be able to make that $100 payment on this booking. That will be applied then to this booking. You'll have payment 1 of $297.50. Then you would have payment 2 of $100, and you would still have a balance owed of $197.50. The system will then continue to send out the payment due email per your set dates and ask for that balance due. You could do this again. You have up to 4 payments that you can do to send out and edit that at any time. So there's a lot of flexibility there on how many payments you take and then when and how much you do take them. If you need to edit your payments or what you applied to this lease for any reason, you can come in here. So here's your first payment amount, second payment amount, third and fourth. So you have 4 options. If something, let's say they wrote you a check and it bounced, you could come in here and remove that and set it back to 0. So just because the lease says that you've accepted the money, if that changes for whatever reason, you can come in here and edit these amounts, and it'll be the additional catch up on the lease, and it will be reflected there. So we hope that gives you some options on accepting your payments, and if you have any questions, let us know, and good luck.